Price, 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 price. Now, I'd like to inform you more about the pricing structure established at GIGO Clean. As I mentioned before, GIGO Clean is a platform that connects consumers to the local available cleaners directly by zip code. Right there is a big saving for customers. GIGO Clean eliminates all the middle people. It also enables customers to select as many hours of cleaning that they need based on their budget. You don't need me or anyone to tell you how many hours of cleaning you need for your household. You know your household better than anyone. So you should be able to select as many hours as you like based on your need and your budget. Clean with GIGO Clean. It's safe, fast, convenient, and it's very affordable. Try it. Vito Safari, CEO and the founder of GIGO Clean. Thank you.